If Samsung storage is constantly full, change these 8 hidden settings right now to free up space. First, empty your system trash. Most people delete photos from the gallery, but they forget that the MyFile app has its own separate trash bin. Open the MyFile app, tap Trash under Utility, and clear it out completely. Second, clear the cache monster. Apps like TikTok and Instagram store gigabyte of video data. Open your TikTok app info, tap storage, and hit clear cache at the bottom. Do same for your most used social media apps. Third, use the built-in storage cleaner. Go to setting, then device care and storage. Samsung has automated tools here that identify duplicate files and large files you forget about, merge them with a single tap. Fourth, achieve unused apps. Right here under your storage settings suggestions, tap Archive Apps to offload software you haven't used in months. This clean up massive space while keeping your personal data and settings completely safe. Fifth, check your dual messaging storage. If you use 2 accounts for WhatsApp or Facebook, your phone stores media twice in a hidden folder. Check the storage usage for these secondary apps and clear the extra data. 6. Switch to high efficiency formats. Go to your camera settings, tap on advanced video options and toggle on high efficiency videos. This cuts your video file size in half using the HEVC format without losing any quality. 7th, clean the secure folder trash. Anything you delete inside the encrypted secure folder stays in its own internal trash bin. Open the secure folder gallery, go into its setting and empty that trash. 8. Run a deep system flush. Go to device care, tap memory and hit clean now. This clears background junk and temporary memory for peak performance. Stop struggling with the storage warnings. Share this video with a friend who is always complaining about their phone being full. And follow for more Samsung tips.